In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Intuit QuickBooks subscription. Whether you're switching platforms or taking a break, canceling your subscription should be straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access your QuickBooks account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account. But for those who are already using QuickBooks, simply sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll likely be prompted to verify that you are indeed human by clicking on the "I'm not a robot" checkbox. After completing any necessary verifications, proceed by clicking the Continue button. Now, it's time to select the company file you wish to manage, so make sure you choose the correct one. Once you've selected your company file, navigate to the QuickBooks dashboard. Here you'll find the Settings gear icon. Click on it. This will give you access to the Settings menu where you'll find various options related to your QuickBooks account. Next, locate the Subscriptions and Billing section. For those who are new to this area, it can be found within the main menu under Settings. Click on Subscriptions and Billing to enter the billing section. You will immediately see your billing details, including the current plan, payment method, and renewal date. Within the billing section, you'll find a tab marked Billing and Subscription. Click here to view more details about your subscription. Your current plan, how you pay for it, and when it renews next will all be visible here, providing a comprehensive overview of your account standing. To cancel your QuickBooks subscription, find the option marked Cancel Subscription within this section. Clicking on it will begin the cancellation process. You'll encounter a series of on-screen prompts to guide you through, and QuickBooks might ask for the reason behind your cancellation. Just select the option that best describes your reason, whether it's cost, features, or any other reason that suits your situation. Finally, to confirm the cancellation, you'll see a confirmation message that indicates when your access will officially end. This is your chance to double-check everything and ensure you're ready to terminate your subscription. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking Continue to cancel, or if you prefer, cancel now to complete the process immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your Intuit QuickBooks subscription. Make sure to save any necessary information before your access ends, and don't hesitate to reach out to QuickBooks support if you run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.